The food eaten at a particular time of the day is called meal. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are the three common meals generally taken by us. In Chapter 1, you made a list of the food items that you eat. You have also identified the food items eaten in different parts of India. In general, our food consists of cereals like wheat and rice. Pulses like green gram, moong, and pigeon pea, arhar. Milk and milk products. Sugar. Oil or ghee. Eggs. Fish and meat. Vegetables like potatoes, tomatoes, brinjal, ladyfinger, etc. Now the question arises is, what do these different food items contain? What will happen if our meal consists only of a single food item? To get the answers of these questions, let us study different components of food in detail.